How to add more friends to Snapchat shortcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, go to your chat section. As you launch the chat section, you can see there are different options at the top of the screen. So simply drag it to the very end and here you can see the option of new. So simply select on the new icon. As you select on that, here you can just use emoji shortcuts to quickly select friends and groups. So let me select one of the emojis over here. And as you do that, you can just select the people over here. And then tap on create shortcut, select on OK, choose an emoji over here. And after that, you can just create shortcut. So just select on that, then tap on create shortcut, and there you go. So let's refresh it. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.